Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today's going to be a really quick video just how to test your battery in your vehicle at home. Now you'll have to locate your battery, of course, that goes without saying, and you're going to need a few pieces of kit to test it, like a multi-tester, multifunctional tester, just an electrical tester. There are many different varieties out there. This is a nice and cheap one, and you've got the more expensive ones there like so. There are a few reasons why we're doing this video, purely because I'm getting a lot of phone calls lately from a lot of people locally, like this one here, to come and test this battery because it's dying because of the cold weather. And again, we don't want to be spending money on garages when we can do these simple checks at home with a simple multimeter, battery charger and a small toolkit, which you should have in every household anyway. So let's get straight into the video guys and get on with it, get it done. So moving straight onto the battery guys, it depends what you're going to test it with. You might want to test it with a standard multimeter if that's what you've got at home. And on this, it's very simple. You change it to the lowest setting required, so you're looking at 20 volts on the meter. So you just turn it around to 20 and you go ahead and perform these tests. But for me, I use a multifunctional meter like this one because I use it every day at work. So you turn it around to the required setting and go ahead and take the reading. The testing process is exactly the same with both meters. It's irrelevant which one you use. However, first of all, we're going to take a visual check of the battery to make sure it's okay. There's no signs of distress, no corrosion. If there is, make sure we clean it off before we do any testing. Getting straight in there, you're going to take your black node and pop it onto the black side of the battery on the clamp, and the red, of course, on the red. It's that simple, guys. We're then looking at the readings. We're looking for 12.3 really, 12.4. This is slightly low, but it should be okay to start. We're looking at 12.19 here. Again, it is very cold, and that's the reason why we're performing these checks. We want to do these initial checks before we take it into the garage and it costs us any money, because this will just take a little bit of a trickle charge and we're back up and running. So, thank you very much for watching guys. Nice, quick and simple video as always, and straight to the point. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video guys.